Well guys, I've got it together and I'm working late into the night and she's a goer. I'll give you a demo. Turn up the air. A little bit more. I haven't finished it off yet. I've still got, tied up a few things, but it ticks over bloody beautiful. How's that grab you? I'll come in close. Give it a bit more gas. It's barely, probably 2 or 3 pound at the most. Turn it up a bit. I won't overdo it because it's not bolted down or anything. Plywood's got a little bit of a weave in it, I have to take that out. But it runs absolutely magnificently. I mean, it's got to be called awesome. Not bad, eh? All from the schematic diagram, that's all I had to work on. Yeah, I think it's bloody amazing. It runs like a Swiss watch. Absolutely beautiful. I'll slow it down. That's the air pressure it's running at. Virtually nothing, It's got very little air pressure. I'll turn her up a bit and you can hear the revs pick up. Still not registering much at all. I like these when they're just ticking over, just purring away. Pretty smooth, not much vibration. And it's not even bolted down, it's just, sitting on that bit of wood there. Yeah, it's scrubbed up pretty well. I redid these ports here, I screwed them in eventually, I went to a larger size and Loctited them in. That's Loctited, they're screwed and Loctited. That's just Araldited in. And yeah. And for anybody that hasn't been following this project, these are the only plans I've got. there are no plans. It's built up purely from the schematic that I got off the internet. But instead of doing a monoblock, I split it into two components because I haven't got a mill, and to do that any other way would really be quite tricky. So doing it separately, like I've done it, with a separate piston chamber and valve chamber, and then linking them, it worked out really good. Okay, that's it for now, guys. Hope you got a few kicks out of that. I certainly am pretty chuffed that it turned out so well and runs so great. And yeah, it was a pretty awesome little project. I was never really in doubt that it would run because, you know, logically it fitted all the parameters you need for double action steam engine, even though I'm no sort of steam engine expert. And yeah, it runs absolutely perfectly. Okay, that's it for now. We'll see you next time. Cheers.